in this one, the how we receive the delegate request, I am trying to explain. Okay. Clear, my everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. I think that's it. It's such a simple thing. Even we discussed very long, but yeah, this is enough for delegate. Okay, fine. Any questions so far? Any questions?
Nothing.
No. Yes. I think no. Okay. So see here. Uh, Yesterday we were discussing one point. Okay, I got a request where I need to add a user to group, add a user to role. Okay. So what I did is I added the group to role. Okay, instead of adding user to role, right? And this is why we told, okay, this is the practice we do in real time. Okay, and I told like the reason I will tell tomorrow. Everyone, you recollected this point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So why, can someone maybe guess why I told, or why we have that best practice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please tell.
Users in the group. So
You,
if we need to assign same role to users individually, that takes time. If we add a role to a group, so we don't have to add role to that user separately. So once we add that user to a group, it will get assigned automatically. And once we remove also, it will get removed automatically. So if we assign role to user, even if we remove from group also, that role will be assigned to that user even after removing from group also. So we'll better to give roles to groups so that who is the part of that group will have the same responsibilities of that group.
okay, right.
Okay.
Yeah. Others, anyone can give your answers?
For better maintenance in future,
Better maintenance in future, best answer. But how? When you say maintenance, which maintenance?
if we want to remove particular user from that role, we can remove that particular user without disturbing the group.
Without disturbing the group. Yes, okay. Mm, okay. So see here, maybe first of all, forget about role. Okay. I'll just come to one question here, or something when you say better maintenance, no? The better maintenance is a very, very best one to discuss. It covers everything. Better maintenance. Maintenance. Okay. So, uh, so in our system, 1 lakh people are there, and close to 2000 groups are there. Okay, ServiceNow groups. So adding users to group, who will do it? 1 lakh people. Okay, and 2000 groups. Okay, and now like it's a daily transactions. People will be removed and added and all. So the particular action, okay, adding users to group. Okay, who will do? This is the question. Yeah, please, someone are trying to say answer, but I interrupted. Sorry for that. Plus, yeah, please take it, ma. Who will do this?
Admin,
Admin.
admin purpose.
Okay, admin. One thing. So next, only admins only. Everyone is. This is your answer, huh?
Manager.
Group manager.
Group manager. Okay, very good. Who else?
Lead. Team lead.
Team lead or a group manager. We can say same, right? Na? Because in ServiceNow group table or group page, there is no leader, right? The leader is a kind of what do you say? What do you say? Leader is a kind of job profile, but not service no related thing, right? So maybe let's say leader itself is a manager. Okay, fine. Who else? Okay. So now let's say manager, there is no manager in scope in the answer. Okay, let's say only admin will do that. So if we do it, just assume how many tickets we receive per day or per week. Only adding and removal of group people. Group. You got it, huh? If we take this responsibility, adding or removing users to the group, how many tickets we receive per a week? Just imagine. We have 1 lakh people and we have 2000 groups. On an average, we will get minimum 10, right? 10 to 20, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So see, we will be, okay, this is not our job. First of all, we will not be doing support kind of job. This is comes under L1 support. Okay. L1 support means basic level support. We are ServiceNow admins or developers, mainly developers. Okay, admin is like platform administration. It is more than developer. Okay, developer. Hmm. So we will be doing or we will be configuring the things simultaneously. We support issues, platform request and all. But these small things we try to avoid it. Okay, how I can avoid? I will say the group manager. I will give access to group managers so that the group managers can administrate their group. They can add, they can remove. Okay, this particular option I will give to group managers. Okay, I will maybe as someone told leader. I'll create one more field here. Okay, leader. Okay, a group can be having a manager and a leader, two people, and we give access to these two people so that they can add and remove, so that those 20 tickets per a week will not come to our queue. Our work will be reduced. Okay. Why I'm saying is, sir, why you are limiting our work, sir? If you do more work, tickets will improve and we can show them, right? Yes. But if it is depends on your project's definition, ma. Okay. We support directly client. We are a client based, like client based means product based company. We are the administrator. We own the platform. Okay. So if we take this kind of L1 support job, na, half of our work will be like adding and removal of users only. We don't want to do that. Okay. What we did is we did two things. One thing is we did this part so that if someone asks like add me to a group, we will reply back saying check with the group manager. One thing. Second thing is okay. We have a separate request form where they can raise a request, add user account to this group. If they request it, automatically we return some scripts. The script will add the user to group. You no need to do manually. Okay. So we limited that job without it comes to our queue. Okay. This is the first point, adding users to group. This point is clear. Someone told better administration, but this is the maybe better administration. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Maybe in your organization, in your projects, maybe you will do it. It doesn't mean like it is not a good one to do, but we don't do these kind of things because see here, we need to calculate. No, I have 5 developers now, 7 developers. Okay, we have five main projects. Okay, PI. Okay, change. We are implementing these things. Okay, workspace. Okay, major incident, LMS integration. So we will be mainly occupied with this one. And if you get 20 records like adding users, removing users and all, when we do it. So we will try to avoid this part and we will concentrate in this part. That's how we are managing. But in your organization, in your project, you may get a different definition. You have to do it. Okay. So now why I am telling all this is first one reason you should understand how the real time work is, obviously. Second thing is better maintenance, right? So adding users to group, okay, this point, okay. So now think adding users to role. Okay, so now one role is there, ITL role or ABC role or something. If you keep on add one user to role, okay, after some 1 year or 3 months, 250 users came under the role. Okay, so maintaining this one again, adding a user. Okay, now people role is like group is fine, but some few roles will be attached with the licensing. Remember it. Okay, ITL role. Okay, in organization, if you have 50,000 people, not 50,000 people will be ITL role. We have to by default ServiceNow give like 15,000 people, 20,000 people ITL role they will give. If you want to go beyond that, we need to pay extra. Okay, ITL roles. There are so many roles with which attached with licensing. Okay, so we need to balance that also. License management is one of the very important thing in as part of platform administration. That's why I told administrator is more than developer. Okay, we may feel like admin job is easy, admin job is no code and all. No, developer can do their only stories, develop and keep silent, but admin they have to do so many things. Okay, so everything is important. We need to learn everything. That is a final point. So see here, adding role, adding user 250, 255, 260, and even removal. Okay, people will be removing from the groups and even they don't want the role. Okay, so this maintenance now, if you do directly, okay, adding user to role directly, it is very difficult to manage. Today one person will add, tomorrow one person will remove, and next tomorrow one person. So monitoring from role level, this is very difficult. So how you can control is you attach this role to a group. Okay, and then you started asking people like add, if you want this role, add the respective user to this group, or you can also tell the user that contact this manager. This manager should know, okay, this group is aligned to this role. If you add anyone, it will be associated with licensing also. So we will route to him, then he will validate and he will tell them, okay, you should not be part of, you should be part of. So he will add or remove the group to the group. Automatically the role will come. So administration from group level is more easier. Now see here, I have 25 people came today. They want ITL role. So I will move to this manager. I don't do. See, we are not doing it. Okay, he will validate it. Okay, he will take a call. Let's say they want it. He will add in one bunch. Tomorrow, two people removed. He will remove from that group, not from role. You are getting it, ma? Better maintenance. Yes, no. I-
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So removing a person directly from role is very difficult than removing from group. And maintaining from group is very easy. The answer is yes. Some two people told the answer, three people, all are right only, but we need to see deep level. This is the main reason. Okay. That answer is also right, but this is the low level thing. This is how we balance it. We administrate the platform. Clear, ma? Is this point clear? Everyone agree? Yes, no?
Yes.
That I covered. Anything we can still add to this point? Maybe why adding users to group is preferable? If I miss something, maybe you can.
Yeah, you covered it all.
I covered. Okay, fine. Anything else? Any questions here? Please raise, ma. Any questions? Okay. So no questions. Silence means no questions. So delegate, related list. Okay. So as part of this user administration, I think these are the main topics. Okay. So now we can jump to the next topic that is called when it is part of roles. Okay. We have some important roles. Okay. I'll just introduce them. Maybe our okay roles. Important roles are ITL role. Okay. ITIL admin role. Okay, security admin role and impersonation role. These are like related to interview questions, man. That is important means every role is important, but more like impersonation, impersonation role. Okay, admin role, and few more roles will come. Topic wise, we have roles also. It will come, but so far we can start discussing this. Impersonation, we seen it already. Okay, admin also we know everything. We already seen it. Okay, ITL role. What is the meaning of ITL role? Can someone tell me based on your understanding so far? What is ITL role? ITIL role. Didn't I say yesterday? What is ITL role? No. Okay. So see here. Hmm. Antonio. Antonio, we seen it, ma. Yesterday we created Antonio. Before ITL role, we seen his profile, and he couldn't able to access applications, incident, problem, change, task. They are ITL based application, ITSM based application. After adding to ITL, he can able to see. Right? You observed that point yesterday.
Yes.
Yes, right. So that means what is okay? ITIL role is for to maintain ITIL application. So there are some applications called incident management, incident, change, problem, okay, task, and few more are there. Reporting. Reporting is not required, but there are few. Okay, knowledge also. So these application, if you want to operate, okay, when I say operate, generally we can also see one word. This word is very important, ma. Correct. Okay, so it's like create, read, update, and delete. Okay, so these are the four main actions a user can can have on an application. That means, okay, I am giving one statement now. Admin can do all CRUD operations on incident application. What does it mean is, see here, just focus here. Mm, CRUD, right? Hmm. Okay, just see here. When I say admin can do all these four operations, okay. First of all, just see incident. I am just saying incident. So we are talking about only one application that is called incident. Okay. First, I just clicked all. I can see, right? Can I see this? So here it is read. Okay, you can see this way, or you open one incident. You can see the data. You are reading the data. So this operation, R operation, read. Is that clear? First one, yes,
Yes.
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 Now,
Yes.
okay, I am just changing short. Every field is enabled. Okay, I have one field here, short description. Instead of east, I also keep west and east. Okay, now I saved it or I updated it. Okay, save or update. Don't see that error message. Okay, now what I did, I updated it. That means I have write access. Write means writing on the record. I can update a record. Earlier I read a record. I have access to read a record. Now I have access to update a record also. Now I updated. This had some change now. Is that clear? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now what is create? I can create an incident. Right? I can create an incident. Creation operation also I have it. Okay. It's not test, it's test. 153, right? 153 incident is created. This is, so I can also have create option, create action access. Okay, and the last one is delete. I can delete a record from the application. So these are CRUD operations. Okay, so my user account, administrator user account, have these 4 controls or 4 accesses to do these operations, right? This is what I first point is. Is that clear, ma? Yes or no? Please comment.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
yeah, now this one, if you see the same thing, ITIL role people, okay, they have access to do, okay, these operations in this table. Okay, when I say these operations, not all ITIL people can do CRU on these applications. They can create, they can change, they can update, they can read, they can update, they can create it. Okay, but general normal ITIL person cannot delete it. So see here, where is our Antonio? Antonio is ITL. No? So yesterday we added him into ITL, right? So see here, I'll just go to Antonio. Okay, and I'll also see the same incident. Okay, so see this incident. He is ITL user, I think. Let's see. He's ITL user. Okay, he can read it. He can also create it because he have ITL role. Okay, and then he can update it. Yes, and he can also yeah, read, create, update. 3 operations he can do. But can he delete it? Did you see any operation called delete here?
No.
No. Right. So delete is not there for ITL user. Okay. There is another role called ITL underscore admin role. If we add, okay, this one to some other Rex people, okay, let's say I'll take this guy, Joe employee. Okay, we no need to see it, but yeah, let's see. So I'm adding, okay, we are here, right? Antonio cannot do user administration. Okay, so I'm just adding here, okay, directly, uh, but we don't directly add a role. Okay, so ITIL underscore admin. So I am adding ITIL underscore admin role to Joe employee. Okay, now impersonate with this person. So you have an incident open here. Just see. Okay, generally, now see, I am with which account now? Admin account, right? Admin can delete it. Remember, see this one. Admin can delete it, but a general ITIL user cannot delete it. Now I am going to one user where he have ITL underscore admin. Okay, now the system is with ITL underscore admin role. Okay, now if he refresh it, he can delete. Okay, so this is the only difference between ITL underscore ITIL and ITL underscore admin role. So if you just read it also, you will find the same thing. Oops, Joe cannot read that. Huh? Very good. So see, man, it is telling you the user doesn't have access to read the data. Okay, Joe, the user, don't have access to read the roles table. Means roles application. R is failing here for him, right? Now I shifted to system administrator. He's an admin. So now if I refresh it, you will see. So this is how accesses are controlled, but we see little deeper later. ITIL can perform standard actions on ITIL based applications. Okay, and all the like they can open, they can update, they can close. Okay, they can all these things they can do. The same way, maybe in other way they defined it. But ITIL admin process more privileges than ITIL role and intended to team leads. Okay, fine. The role has an ability to delete. This is important. Incidents, problem changes, and other related entities. You understood, ma? Is this clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is one of the very important interview question, ma. What is the difference between ITIL and ITIL admin role? Okay,
It will be an exam as well.
it will be in yeah, CSA exam as well. Yeah, right. So in this certification exam, it would be one of the important question also. Okay, so please explain properly. It is very simple, but you need to explain properly. That is a very important thing. Okay, and last role, maybe last point for today is, okay, this role, when we are talking about important role, we need to specifically mention one role is security underscore admin role. Okay, we have a concept called ACLs. Okay, ACL in ServiceNow is a very, very, very and powerful concept. Okay, see here, see if you observe here, I am sorry. Okay, I am system administrator. That means I am admin user. But even I am admin user, I cannot see new here. Okay, and if I open any ACL, even it is completely read only. Means I can't even write anything or save anything or update anything. That means admin user also doesn't have access to do operations on ACL application. Okay, even I am admin, but I cannot do all these activities, C, U, or the CRUD operations. Why? Because in order to do ACL job, you should be part of one role that is called security underscore admin role. Okay, so I already added my role, but there is one thing we need to do security underscore. Okay, it will not come, but see here, here, get this one and elevated roles, click it, and here you need to check this one and then say okay. This is how you get it. Okay, so you get it now. You are part of security underscore. You got the elevated roles now. Okay, there is some slight point here. We have it. Okay, adding user to role. I will cover this one now. It will confuse you now. Okay, so I got it. How you get it is go here elevated roles and then say security underscore admin role checked and okay. Now come here and refresh it. Okay, you can come here and then refresh also. Okay, you got it here and you got here also the user. Okay, and now if you refresh it, you will see new. Okay, and if you refresh this ACL, one of the ACL record, you will also have edit option. Means you can write it now and then change it something. Okay, the bottom line is if you want to do any operation on ACL's application, okay, you need security underscore admin role. That's it. Okay, little deeper maybe when we are discussing ACLs, we will discuss little deeper. That time you will get it. But for only for what is important roles, maybe these five we can start with. Okay, we still get few more roles, ma. Application specific roles, we will get it. We will see them. Whenever we see some roles, we will see that also. But for now, we can start with this. I think I am done. Any questions, please raise.
Hi, sir. Saddam. As a ServiceNow employee, what is the a minimum role they will provide?
If we are into ServiceNow team and we are doing administration development, so we need admin role and security admin role also. Both we will be provided. Yes, ma'am. That is the answer for your question, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Next questions. Next question, please. Okay. No questions. Shall we end?